Welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at how you can create a new channel for your needs. As I mentioned in my last video, you can create a channel by going to the more option of the button. You see add channel. When I create an add channel button, I can name it a channel. Maybe I'm planning my project review meeting and I give it a project review name, then put a description if needed. Then you can automatically post this as a chat in the conversation for the people. And once you add a once you select the button, it creates the background, the channel name with certain properties. So when you see the project review is a different channel, however general tab has a different channel and things. Now go to project review and you can start with this. Hi, you may not want to include one of your professor in this, so just go to this channel and modify the settings. Maybe you need to change the settings a bit, and there's an analytics button that you can see how many people have been accessing this channel. At the same time, you may want to explore a bit about how you can manage your channel. Now once you are done with this, you can start adding the files in the channel. And how easy it is to add the files. It's just an upload button that you just need to hit and it creates a file upload. When you click on the file, select the files from your desktop, and I wanted to add this file quickly. Once I add the file, you see the uploading is happening and the file is there. At the same time, you may want to share this file with the people in the chat. So copy this link, go to copy, go back to the channel. In the channel, type this URL and it says there's a document has been shared. Thank you for watching. Let's catch into the next video where I'm going to talk about file sharing in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.